Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Shopify domain to Funnelish. First, understand that linking these platforms boosts your sales potential by leveraging Funnelish's powerful funnel features with your established Shopify store. This process is designed to be straightforward, ensuring your customers enjoy a consistent brand experience. We'll walk through each step, making it simple to get your domain set up correctly and efficiently. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to your settings and then select Domains. Here, you'll see your primary domain listed. It's crucial to confirm this domain is active and that you have administrative access to its DNS settings. We'll need this information shortly to make the necessary updates for Funnelish, so keep this page handy. Next, open your Funnelish account and head to the Domains or Custom Domains section. You'll add your Shopify domain here. Funnelish will then provide specific DNS records, typically a CNAME record, that you'll need to copy. Return to your Shopify domain settings and update your domain's DNS records to reflect the Funnelish information. This tells your domain where to find your funnels. After updating your DNS records, it's important to allow some time for these changes to propagate across the internet, which can take up to 24 hours. Once that period has passed, thoroughly test your Funnelish funnels by visiting them using your newly connected Shopify domain. Verify that all pages load correctly, securely, and display your content as expected. This ensures a seamless experience for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.